Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. When s approaches to number 0, so we put number 0 colon here. We have the integration from 0 to number 0. So that means this one you got number 0. We put number 0 colon here. We have number 0. So we got 0 over 0. So we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So for this one, we need to do first the derivative of s, and the value of s we change for t. Minus, we need to do first the derivative of number 0, and the value of number 0 we change for t. This one, that is about 3s squared. Now we need to simplify this one. We have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And now we need to simplify s squared and s squared. So I will put number 0 colon here. And we have 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.